Let's try and understand now with respect to GST. 19 days after Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Independence Day promise of a festive season bonanza, speculation is rife that the GST Council could push for an early rollout of the rate cuts, possibly from September 5th onwards. Here's more on that.
इस दिवाली में आपको एक बहुत बड़ा तोहफा देशवासियों को मिलने वाला है। हम नेक्स्ट जनरेशन जीएसटी रिफॉर्म्स लेकर के आ रहे हैं। ये दिवाली के अंदर सामान्य मानवी की जरूरतों के टैक्स भारी मात्रा में कम कर दिए जाएंगे। रोजमर्रा की चीजें बहुत सस्ती हो जाएगी और उससे इकोनॉमी को भी एक नया बल मिलने वाला है।
19 days after the Prime Minister's Independence Day promise of a festive season bonanza for India's middle class, the GST Council is meeting to finalize the contours of this windfall. While consumers are eyeing the goodies they may soon get, economists are weighing the festive season boost these tax cuts could deliver to the economy. Now, Business Today TV has learned that the centre and states may work to ensure that the benefits of the expected rate cuts are passed on immediately.
I think, look, this will happen soon. Now, whether it will happen on 21st of September, one is also hearing that it could happen midnight on September 5th itself. That, of course, the council will decide, but it's very clear that it will happen within next few days. In let's say next 10 days or so is expected, and I will not rule out the possibility of it happening from midnight on September 5th as well.
The buzz around rate cuts is unmistakable, but industry voices and economists caution that anticipation itself could delay purchases, especially in the run-up to the festive season, stalling sales before the benefits materialize. There are already reports of buyers postponing decisions, particularly for big-ticket items, waiting for lower GST rates to kick in and bring savings. Sources indicate GST on small cars and two-wheelers with engine capacity up to 350cc could be slashed by 10%. Air conditioners and televisions are also expected to get cheaper. A reduction in GST on cement could ease construction costs during the festive period. Several other products, from fertilizers and pesticides to packaged dairy, textiles and footwear, may also see cuts. Everyday FMCG products too are reported to be under consideration.
Now what we're hearing is that even a lot of FMCG items under 18% could also come down to 5%, and that could mean toothpaste and shampoo and sort of hair oil and so on. And that's really the big one, right? I mean, for the common man. So it seems like we are heading for a big bonanza for at least you and me.
Meanwhile, a State Bank of India research report demolishes the belief that states will lose revenue under the new GST regime. The report projects states will remain net gainers with GST revenues, including devolution, estimated at over 14.10 lakh crore rupees this fiscal. While there may be an immediate dip of 3 to 4% in month-on-month collections, revenues are expected to rebound, sustaining 5 to 6% growth each month. The new GST regime, officials say, will also broaden the tax base, simplifying compliance, cutting red tape, and encouraging greater voluntary participation. Bureau Report, Business Today TV.